The WDF violation error, often indicated by a blue screen of death, can be a frustrating issue for Windows 11 users. Fortunately, there are several effective methods you can try to resolve it. We will begin by updating your device drivers, as outdated or corrupted drivers are a common cause of this error. To update your drivers, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Navigate to the Windows Update tab. Within Windows Update, locate and select Advanced Options. Here, you will find an option for optional updates. Click on this to reveal any available driver updates. Select all the drivers you wish to update and proceed with the installation. After updating your drivers, return to the main Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates to ensure your system is completely up to date. If driver updates do not resolve the issue, the next step is to perform a System File Checker scan. This tool will scan for and attempt to repair any corrupted system files that might be causing the WDF violation. To initiate this, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Once it appears in the search results, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and then press Enter. Allow the scan to complete. It may take some time. As a final resort, if the previous solutions do not work, you may need to reset your computer. This process will reinstall Windows, effectively removing any problematic software or configurations. To begin the reset, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on System on the left-hand list. In the right pane, scroll down and select Recovery. On the Recovery page, you will see an option to reset PC. Click on this. You will then be presented with options. Select Remove Everything to ensure a clean slate. Once you have chosen that, when the system loads the options, you can select Cloud Download for the most up-to-date version of Windows. Finally, click on Next to initiate the reset process. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.